In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have WhatsApp connected to your Go High Level account so you can message contacts directly from your workflows and conversations area. Let's start inside your Go High Level dashboard. Once you're logged into the correct account and location, look toward the lower left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options for managing your account. From there, you want to open the main settings area. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you control most of the back-end configuration for your location, including phone numbers, company details, and of course integrations like WhatsApp. After you've opened settings, you'll be taken to a page with different tabs or sections along the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled Integrations. This is the hub where Go High Level connects to third-party tools, such as email providers, payment gateways, and messaging platforms. Click on Integrations and give the page a second to load. Once the integrations page is open, you'll see a list of available apps and services that can be connected to your account. Scroll through this list until you find the option for WhatsApp or your WhatsApp provider. Next to it, there will be a button labeled Connect. Go ahead and click Connect. This tells Go High Level that you want to link your account with WhatsApp so messages can flow between the two platforms. After you click Connect, a series of on-screen prompts will appear. These prompts might open in a new window, or they may show up as a pop-up within Go High Level. Carefully follow each step that appears. You'll typically be asked to log into your WhatsApp business provider or Facebook business account, confirm permissions, and choose the specific phone number you want to use for messaging. Make sure you select the business number that your customers already recognize and double check any details before confirming. Continue following the prompts until you see a success message or confirmation that the connection has been established. When everything is set up correctly, WhatsApp will appear as a connected integration in your Go High Level settings. At this point, you're ready to start using WhatsApp inside Go High Level campaigns, automations and conversations, all through the number you just linked.